Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies. Sorry guys. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, Pisces. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Moon, Seven of Stars in reverse and Judgment in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, maybe you need to be really honest with yourself, what you truly want today, guys, and what are your intentions and motives, maybe in your work, what you truly want to do and achieve, what are your goals. When you know that, you will know what will be the next right thing to do in any circumstance, Pisces. So in your work situation or in your personal life, something has come up. You are at that crossroad. You need to make that important choice today. And maybe you have your heart and soul bent up towards something, some kind of inspiration you may have to take up some path. But with your practical knowledge and experience, you know that it may not work so well. You have some other decision, but it is that fight between that heart and mind today in your circumstances, guys, Pisces. So in your work or in your personal life, you are making some important choices today, something that is going to change the way things are in your life. Maybe in your work, it may have a huge impact on your future or the way things will go for you. And you feel that maybe you are unable to make that choice, and you should be able to identify the right choice for you guys based on your honest motives. So what you truly want to do, that was what we were talking about. So even in this relationship, maybe you may have certain ideas or vision or goal about this person, about this relationship, where things should go or what should happen or what will be your way of doing things. But practical way of the circumstances may be something else. So you need to try and make the right choices, guys. Be really flexible today. Maybe you may feel you may have a lot of dreams and fantasies or lot of expectations for this love, for the person you have in your mind. But in reality, the love you feel with this person may not be your dream person. Maybe they may not match up to that expectations you have. But whatever it is, what you truly feel about them is what is that most important thing that matters, guys, because that is going to make that course of action in this relationship, Pisces. So for your relationship, we picked one card. It's Papas. So looks like with this person you have a strong bond and they are here to support you and help you in whatever way possible, and they are a very reliable person, Pisces. So if you have any doubts on this love, whether it will work or not, you need not feel least, or you need not doubt it even a least bit, because this love will work, guys. because I see that this person is very loyal and trustworthy, and you can rely on this person, and they have honest intentions, good intentions towards you, Pisces. So, for your career situation, Pisces, we have burning tower in reverse. So, maybe in your work there are some changes happening, something may happen, something unexpected. You need to do a lot, maybe face a lot of circumstances, but you need to understand that to give way for something better, changes are necessary. Changes are the beginning, guys. It marks the beginning of something new coming in our life. So you need to understand that and embrace these changes happening in your work situation, Pisces. So for your moon energies, Pisces, we have full moon in Aries, a fiery climax approaches. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you have been thinking too much from your point of view, maybe, and you are fighting for something, maybe what you want with what someone else wants. But today, maybe you can take time and think honestly and sensitively whether you have been right in every circumstance, whether you were not little harsh or whether you were not little rash in some decisions. You must think about that, whether you are the reason for the way things are going today in your circumstances. So this card just means that you need to, if you are in a tense situation, you need to find that inner peace, find the reason for the way of this circumstance unfolded, and if you are the reason for the way things are, you can easily find a way out of this difficult circumstance, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and um, love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says Yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time, based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.